Harvard destroyed more minds than whiskey. That's what scholar Dr. Goodwin Woodson once said, and he wasn't wrong. For centuries, elite universities like Harvard, Oxford, and Cambridge have shaped the minds of black leaders, but not for their liberation. Instead, they've trained them to uphold the very systems that keep Black America, Jamaica, the Caribbean, and Africa in chains. Today, we're exposing how these institutions, seen as the pinnacle of success, actually reinforce neo-colonialism, sabotage true progress, and why the solution is not another degree from the Ivy League, but decolonized education. In 1933, Dr. Carter G. Woodson dropped a bombshell, the miseducation of the Negro. His argument? Black students were being taught to serve the system, not change it. When you control a man's thinking, you don't have to worry about his actions. Fast forward to today. Has anything really changed? Black students still flock to elite schools, only to graduate with debt, Eurocentric worldviews, and careers that benefit corporations, not their communities. 80% of black Harvard grads enter finance, consulting, or tech, fields that rarely uplift black neighborhoods. Less than 5% of tenured Ivy League professors are black. Jamaica and Africa lose thousands of top scholars to Western universities. Many never return. This isn't education, it's intellectual assimilation. Now let's talk about the real cost of this brain drain. Take Jamaica Finance Minister Nigel Clark, an Oxford grad, is leaving to join the IMF, the same IMF that's crippled Jamaica with austerity for decades. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is getting a PhD in U.S. gun laws, while crime surges at home. Why are our leaders serving foreign interests? This is the neo-colonial playbook. Send your brightest abroad. They return loyal to global elites, not their people. The cycle repeats. But there's a way out. We must build our own elite schools. Why can't Jamaica have its own Harvard? Teach our history first. No more Eurocentric curriculums. Fund local genius. Stop begging for scholarships abroad. Imagine if every dollar spent at Harvard went to our institutions instead. So, next time someone brags about their Ivy League degree, ask, did it teach you to liberate or just obey? The choice is ours. Keep feeding the system or break it. If you found this thought-provoking, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content like this.